Sony test and review, rare camera, HDD, hard disk drive. Test and review. Only not have this decorative sign Sony, you see. And also in very good condition, not have big screws or scrapes, very good condition, clean lens, all is tested, all is working. Flash, zoom, video, all is working. Touch screen is also working. And try rec. Test very good quality of video, you see. And try play. All is working, voice, video, high quality. All buttons, all is perfect working. Movie, photo, all you see. English menu, all is perfect working. See on the listings.